Speaking of Daddy, would you be a dear and try to fetch him for me? He's probably making waves down at the local watering hole.
All right. Auntie Marmar's off now. See you later.
Auntie Marmar? What a weird name. What a big world it is.
Yeah, far out.
I was getting scrambled inside of that egg.
Well, now, don't go thinking this is the whole world. It stretches far beyond the lake, right onto the end of the churchyard. Though I've never been that far myself.
Wicked, let's explore.
Wait. There are 1 or 2 nest rules before you paddle off. Number 1, no wet, webbed feet in the nest. Number 2, no quacking after sunset. Number 3, you must feather in your own nest every morning. Number 4, no plankton between meals. Number 5... Wait a minute, you're not all here.
Hey guys, there's going to be another member of the gang.
Oh, and it's the big one.
Look at the show on that.
Excellent. Mama, it's unfair. We all got a small cramped egg, but that one got a queen-size ostrich jaw. Mama, it's not fair.
No,
Mama, it's not fair.
Hi, kids. I'm your dad.
You better take a good look at him because you probably won't be seeing him that often. Well, true to form, you missed it. The pitter-patter of petite paddles.
Well, I'm here now. Okay, kids, who's for swim? What's the matter? All that sitting around taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch. The big one.
It's definitely a turkey. You'll never get a chicken with water just to leave it. Oh, I cut that out. Come teach the other ones to swim properly.
You teach the other ones to swim properly. I've sat for so long, a few days more won't make much of a difference.
Whatever you say, dear. Come on, kids, let's turn to the lakes to cooch. Hey, wait for me.
What a roll. Only good for keeping eggshells warm. On the whole, they have always been more uniform. This one's different. This one's different from the rest. I can't believe a turkey's egg could fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just a larger grade of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different. But there's different. And there's different. Oh my word!
Honk!
What's wrong with your quack? Oh, you're not like your brothers and sisters. They're, different.
Honk!
If I say butterball, does that bother you at all? No. What about water? How would you like to go for a swim?
I'd love to. Mama?
Oh, thank heavens for that! I knew you were one of mine. Now, your father has taken the other ones down to the lake for their first swimming lesson, so how about you and me doing the same right here at the water's edge? Nothing too fancy, mind you. Just the basics to get you started. Ooh, it's a bit nippy, but we'll soon warm up. The important thing is not to be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid. Can we swim to that island?
Oh, good gracious, no. It's further than you think. Why, I haven't been out there since your father and I were courting. Okay, just do as I do, and you should take to it like a duck. You should take to it. Hold your head up high, like the most happy fella, while down below each thigh. Apropos, a propeller must keep paddling like the clappers you keep paddling with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming and calm away. Bend your knees. No splashing, please.
Sorry.
And steady, watch that eddy to your right. Danger sign, that's fishing line, which strangles if it tangles you up tight. He's a natural in a class of his own.
This is wonderful. I am feeling full grown.
Look at you, you have every reason to hold your head up high. As if free from all troubles, your back stays nice and dry.
But my bottom's in bubbles.
You keep paddling like the clappers, just keep paddling with your flappers while seeming to be dreaming and calm. Just beneath the surface, you may struggle to get by,
But nothing can deter you if you hold